This is a exterior screw. This is good for deck, for any exterior project. But if the wood uh, you're gonna use to do the job, if you use this type of screw, you're gonna show the screw to look good, to look gorgeous. You need to use something like this. You can find this type of bit different sizes, different thick, different uh, long ones, thick ones, all kind of sizes for all kind or all type of screw. This screw is, like I said in the beginning, for exterior, but this can be also sheetrock screw, drywall screw, any kind of screw, as long as the screw is like this. If the screw is like this and flat head, and then you need to use this. But if the job doesn't matter how it's going to look, just put the screw. But if you want to, if the screw is going to be shown in a piece of furniture, or maybe in a deck, for example, if you in a deck, this is like a deck wood. So if I just put the screw like this, and then if I just put like this, when the head of the screw go into the wood it go to the side and make those like stitches, and then can hurt your feet, your hand, can hurt somebody. But if you use this first, like this, okay, and then we put the screw. You see, this is the screw without this, and this is the screw with the pre-hole. Okay, this is totally much better. You not even feel the screw. Here you feel all the particulars of the wood damage. But this is a smaller screw. Sometimes we use long screw, and those long screws really damage the wood, the finished surface. So it's only a suggestion before you put the screw. If you're gonna show the screw, you want to look good, to look nice, especially if you put it in order, like a straight line or a square line. And for example, you put every screw, you put every 6 inches, and everything's gonna look like a computer did it. Perfect. So that's all. Give me your like, please, and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos. Maybe one of those is gonna be good for you. It's maybe it's interesting for you. And then follow me. And thank you for watching my video.